First things first, I need you to go to postoakagent.com and go to the compensation page. I want to introduce you to our third and final package here at Post Oak Realty. It's with intention, and I'll share that in just a minute, but this is $275 per month. It's $475 per transaction, capped at 12 transactions. So if you do 12 deals in 1 year, this is a $9,000 cap. Now, one thing I recognized, and the reason for having 3, is that all companies that I know of have 1 lane, and you get in that lane and you run as far and as fast as you can. But if you want to change the way you receive or the amount of money you get to take home at the end of the day, even if you love the company, you have to leave. So I thought, okay, if we're going to build out what we're going to build out with the tools and resources and everything for the agents with the culture and the experience, why would I set up a back-end structure that dictates the agent has to leave once they get what they came here for, which is training, usually, right? So agents, much like yourself, or maybe you will learn this at about the 8 to 10 month mark, you'll look up and say, you know what? I'm more confident, I've received a few referrals, I've even closed a few deals, and I want to, usually something pertaining to money, keep more money, earn more money, change the way I receive, whatever the case may be. So now with this 3-pronged approach, we have the opportunity to meet you exactly where you are. We have the opportunity to scale and grow with you as your career scales and grows. And then ultimately, it gives you, the agent, an option to choose. Every agent's going to get the same thing top to bottom. If you pay in less, pay in more, it doesn't matter. The value doesn't change. You're going to always get exactly what was promised, but now you get the opportunity to choose. So if this is something that's interesting to you, let's set up a time to talk.